Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is not going to be a long intro. Today I'm going to be making homemade queso. All the ingredients will be down in the description box. There's not much to make in this. I will show you very easily and how simple it is to make your own home queso. So join me. I'll show you how to do it. Check out a few of my friends' channels. We got the Bearded Italian, we got Gorilla Joe's, and we got Rob at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. All right, so now all we got to do, get outside. I've got all the ingredients ready, and I will bring it down below and show you what we're working with. All right, everybody, here's the ingredients we have for the smoked queso. I will leave a complete list down in the description, so you don't even have to worry about remembering this, but I will have all the measurements and what I've used down in the description. First off, we got 2 pounds of regular Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage, and I have 2 pounds of queso cheese. This came directly from Mexico for some people that Dan knew. I have 2 pounds of medium cheddar cheese. I have 1 pound of pepper jack cheese. We have 1 pound of sharp white cheddar cheese. I have 4 cans of Rotel. And even though there's only 1 block of cream cheese here, I will be using 2 blocks of cream cheese. All right, I'm going to get all this cheese and everything diced up, get the sausage cooked so you don't have to see none of that stuff, and I will be back when I have it ready to get everything into this pan. This is going to be so good, everybody. I'll bring it back in a little bit. All right, everybody, here you go. I spared you all the cutting up and the cooking. We have everything in this giant turkey foil pan. We've got the 4 different kinds of cheeses, the sausage, and the cream cheese, along with the Rotel. All right, the smoker's up to 250 degrees, and we're going to get this on here, and we'll probably check it in about 45 minutes. All right, let's get this queso on. All right, let's get this on. Smoker's up to 250. I'm going to get it in here, and I'm going to let it ride for about 45 minutes, and I'll bring it back, and I'm sure we're going to have to be stirring it by then. We got to get it on. Can't stir until we get it on, so let's go. Oh, yeah, look at that. All right, I'm going to let it ride for about 45 minutes and come back and check it. All right, everybody, it's been about 1 hour. I checked it at 45 minutes. It wasn't quite ready to stir, but at 1 hour, it looks like it's ready to stir. So let's look at this. Now you can definitely see the smoke on the cream cheese. Oh, yeah. Look at that cheesy goodness. Still got a ways to go, but it's melting pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Oh, that queso cheese. Queso cheese from Mexico. Not a Mexican store, not a Mexican anything in the U.S. That queso cheese is from Mexico. Wow. Dan has a couple of Mexican women house cleaners that go to visit their family in Mexico once every couple of weeks or whatever, and they brought back this cheese for him to try in this queso that he wanted. So yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that cheese pull. All right, let's get it all mixed up a little bit better and everything is all together instead of all on one side. Still a couple little blocks of cheese in there. That's all right, they'll melt. Oh yeah. And after 45 minutes, I did crank the heat up to 275. So we're going to let this still rock at 275. And I'll come back in about a half an hour and we'll give it a check again. All right, let's get this closed up. And I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. Let's check it out. I think she should be done. Oh yeah, more than done. Look at that. That is some cheesy goodness there. We got the mild cheddar cheese. We got the sharp white cheddar cheese. And we got the Mexican queso cheese. We got some pepper jack cheese in there. The cooked breakfast sausage. The rotel. And the cream cheese. Now all we got to do is get this inside. And let's give it a taste test. I bet this is going to be tasting so amazing. It looks amazing. All right. I'll get this inside and come back out here for a taste test. See you in a bit. All right, everybody. Here is the finished product. I'm saying that's looking pretty good. What do you think? You think this is a winner? Well, we don't know until we try it. So I'm definitely going to have to try it out with you. So let me bring you up here and we're going to try this out and I'll let you know what I think. All right. Let's give this a test. It sure does look mighty, mighty delicious. Let's give it a whirl. Cool down a little bit, but that's right. Ah! There we go. Mmm. Yeah, not too bad. I like it. I'm usually not a texture kind of guy, because all different foods have different texture, and I hear this texture crap all the time. But we have a couple hard cheeses in here, plus with the sausage and everything else, it does have its own little texture on it. Not that it's bad. It is very good. Mm. I like all those cheeses in there. Gives it a lot of good flavor. Mm. All right, I'll finish this up later. Hi, everybody. I appreciate you watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, I will leave all the ingredients that I used in this recipe down below. If you're making it for like 2 people, you probably want to cut this in half. I made party size, and you know, the first time I make something, I got to go all out. So that's just me, and that's what I do. So anyways, everybody, take care, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.